Hi, so in this video, we're going to talk about equations in two variables. Now, equations in two variables, these are equations that have two unknown variables in that same equation. So our work is to find the value of each variable. It means we're going to have an expression, but there will be two variables that will be missing. Maybe they can put x and y, they can put a and b. So we need to find what the values for those variables are. Now, there are about three ways that we can find the equations in two variables, that we can solve the equations in two variables. We have elimination method, which is the most widely the common one. Then we have substitution method, and also we have graphical method. So in this video, I'll focus on two, that is elimination as well as substitution, because graphical, of course, has a lot to do. And I'm going to do another video for that one. So let us look at this example. So it says solve the following system of equations. So these are known as system of simultaneous equation, meaning solving the values for x and y. So I have two system of simultaneous equation there. I have to find in this one what is the value of x and y, which will make the whole of this side to be equal to 10. Even here, what is the value of x and y that will make this one to be equal to 20 to 22 there. So using elimination method, of course, this is quite simple because our target to have a pair of those values where they have the same coefficient. Now we have this one is 3x, this one's 5x, so these are not same coefficient. But here we have 2y, so we can focus on this one. So we can eliminate the y. Now how do we do that? Well, it's not definite that we have to add or subtract on each occasion. No. What we need to do is to compare. Now, this, of course, these are 2y. Now, get this from me. If the signs are different, then you have to add the two equations. Again, if the signs are different, you add the two equations. But if the signs are the same, then you subtract the two equations. Now, in our case, these signs are different, so we're going to add them. So we're going to add this equation plus this equation. So we just, from here, just say add there. Then 3x plus 5x, that is 8x. 2y plus negative 2y, it is 0. So just cancel them, then is equal to 10 plus 22, that is 32. Then from here, we just divide both sides by 8, even here by 8. Then 8 into 8x, that is x, because 8 will cancel each other, so x is equal to 8 into 32. 8 into 32, that is 4. So x is equal to 4. Now, the common mistake that learners make here is that they like rushing. After finding the value for x, they become so excited and then would like to move on to the next question. No, but remember, this equation in two variables. So you just found the value for x. You need to find the value for y as well. So in finding the value for y, you need to pick any of these two equations, and then where there's x, you replace it with 4. So in our case, let us pick this second equation, because I like things that are complicated. So we have let us rewrite it here by saying 5x minus 2y is equal to 22. So 5, where there's x, we put 4 minus 2y is equal to 22. So 5 times 4, that is 20, minus 2y is equal to 22. Then from here we can collect the like terms by making 20 go the other side there. So here we're going to have a negative 2y is equal to 22. This one was positive, right, to be negative there. Then from here I have negative 2y is equal to 22 minus 20, that is 2. So what next? Well, of course, once remain with only y here, I would divide this side by negative 2, even here by -2, so that these 2 and these 2 will cancel out and then remain with y being equal to -1. So now you are free to move to the next question because you have found the value for x and for y. So you can just say x is equal to +4, then y is equal to -1. As simple as that. Then this question carries, I think it's 3 marks. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you can apply elimination method. And it was very simple because we had, of course, the pair that had the same coefficient. So it was just a matter of asking, do they have the same sign? Or if they are the same sign, we would have subtracted. But since the signs were different, then we added the 2 equations. Just look at this one there. Okay, now here becomes a challenge. So we have x minus 3y is equal to 8, and as well as 3x plus y is equal to 4. So we have no pair that have the same coefficient there. Of course, using elimination method, we can make them to be the same. No, it does not look at that. Let us use substitution on this one. Now, on substitution, it requires choosing one of these equations and making it our main ones. Then from that equation, again, we're going to choose a variable that we're going to make the subject of the formula. Then using that subject of the formula, we plug it in the second equation. What do I mean? Just choose this one as our equation 1. That is step 1. Equation 1 and equation 2. So which one do you want us to choose? Okay, let's go for equation 1 to be our main one now. X minus 3y is equal to 8. Now I have x and I have y. So I need again to choose which of these I want to be the subject of the formula. I'll choose for you. Let us choose x to be our subject. So it is going to be x is equal to 8. This -3y, it will go the other side because we want x to be a dependent variable. So it will be plus 3y. That is because -3y there was negative, and then it becomes positive there. So we have this now. So using this, we can plug it in the second equation and replace it where there is x. So here we have 3x. I will just rewrite equation 2. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3. Where there is x, remember, x is equal to 8 plus 3y. So we're going to say 8 plus 3y. Then we continue with what is here. Plus what? Plus y is equal to, of course, 4 there. Then let us expand this distributive law there. 3 times 4, that is 24, I guess. Yeah, I'm confident. Then 3 times positive 3y, that is positive 9y. Then we continue here. Plus y is equal to 4. Then we try to simplify them further by saying 24. I want to go this step by step. Then 9y plus y, that is plus 10y is equal to 4. Then from here, we can decide whether to take 10 the other side, or maybe we bring this one here, or maybe we take this one the other side, right? So I just take 24 the other side. So that here we're going to have 10y is equal to 4. When 24 goes the other side, to be -24. Excuse me. So we have 10y there is equal to 4 minus 24, that is -20, -20. Then divide both sides by 10, even here by 10. So that this 10, when it goes to 10y, it will be y. Then y will be equal to 10 into -20. That is negative 2. So we have the value for 2 using substitution method. So since we have the value for y, remember, not rushing to the next question, we still have to find the value for x. So we can pick any of these 2 equations. Let's pick equation 2 this time around, which is 3x plus y is equal to 4. So we have 3x plus, where there is y, remember, where there is y, we said y is it's negative 2. So negative 2 is equal to 4. 3x positive times negative, it is negative 2 is equal to 4. Then we collect the like terms there. So we're going to have 3x is equal to 4. This negative 2 going to go the other side to be positive 2. So 3x is equal to 6 because 4 plus 2 is 6 there. Then we divide here by 3, even here by 3. So that 3 into 3x, we're going to remain with x is equal to 3 into 6, that is 2. So we have both the value for y and for x. Y is negative 2 and y is negative 2 and x is 2. So we can just say y is equal to negative 2 and then x is equal to 2. There we have it. So this is how substitution method works. Just pick any of the 2 equations to be your main one. Then from there, you choose which letter you want to make the subject. Then after making the subject, plug it in the equation that you left. Then from there, collect the like terms nicely. If need may be, divide at the end. Then after finding the value, substitute it in any of the equations so that we can find the other value. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment what you think about this video, and of course let me know what topic you want me to do next. Until next time, bye bye.